Good morning, students. Today I will introduce you topic number 14, so called indefinite integral. But today we will study about the methods of integration. There are two types of the methods of the integration. Number first is called integration by substitute. Second is called integration by parts. Okay, so I will introduce at first the integration by substitute. So what is the substitute? First thing is we have listened this word especially in the cricket field where someone is bounded, then anyone is take his place. Okay, so I am going to take here the question. You can see the question very carefully. I is equal integration of integral, this is the sign of the integration, x cos of x square dx. This is a question. Okay, and we need to apply here a substitution method, and how we will see very carefully. Here students, we will suppose something. Okay, and I will tell you why we are supposing. Let x square is equal t, and now I am going to differentiate it with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. At my previous lecture, you can see if I am differentiating it with respect to t, it will be d by dt of x square, and here it will be d by dt of t. So here the function is in form of x and we are differentiating with respect to t. How we will? You can see my previous video where I told to you how you will differentiate if the function is in form of x and we are differentiating with respect to t. So I am going to direct solve this portion. It will be 2x dx is equal dt. Okay, and this is your equation number first, and it's your equation number second. How it is possible? You can check my previous lecture. Why you are getting 2x dx is equal dt? If you want to ask me, you can just send me the personal message. Okay, WhatsApp message. So we have two equations. X square is equal t, and second is 2x dx is equal dt. So students, matter is what? Of course we have x square is equal t. This means we can put t at the place of x square. Here the t is substitute. Okay, and next is here we have x, we have dx, but we don't have 2, so we will create 2. Okay, how? See here, if I is, so I is integral of x cos x square dx. Can I write it upon 1? Of course, there is no issue. So I is equal integral of, I am multiplying. Actually here this portion is called the numerator. Numerator is what? X cos x square dx, and the denominator is 1. I am multiplying 2 in the numerator and also multiplying 2 in the denominator. So I am getting here 2x integral of 2x cos x square dx upon 2. Okay, I am multiplying here 2 in the numerator and 2 also in the denominator. So students, now check here. Are you getting here? Of course we are getting x square is equal to t. We will put here, and next is 2x dx. Of course we have a 2x dx now. This is 2x and it is dx. So we can substitute dt at the place of 2x dx and t at the place of x square. Okay, so I is equal, it is upon 2, so we will move this portion. It will be 1 upon 2 integral of here 2x dx. Okay, can we write it in this way, cos of x square into 2x dx? Any problem? Of course there is no issue. So I is equal 1 upon 2 integral of, here you can write from equation. I am going to take the equation first and second. Okay, first and second, cos of x square. What is the value of x square? What is the substitution for the x square? This is t and 2x dx, and for the 2x dx we have a dt. So tell me, what is the value of integration of cos t dt? It is sin t plus c. Okay, So I is, we have 1 upon 2 sine, and what is the t? T is, according to you, what is t? T is x square. Sine of x square plus c. This is the required answer. Required answer. Okay, pause the video, write down on your copy. So students, I am going to start your exercise, and I am going to take the first question of your exercise 14a. Okay. See your first question of your exercise 14a. Question is, if you are not related to my school, you can see here I am explaining the mathematics for the class 12th ISC students, and the writer of this book is O.P. Malhotra, S.K. Gupta and Anubhuti Gangal. It's S. Chand Publications. So exercise 14a.